Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've had a slight sort of week off and I've got like a billion videos backed up ready to sort out and show you guys. So I'm kicking it off with one of the new CJP colours, and I'm using this stunning Smashed Peach. You might have already seen this set on social media. I posted a picture on Saturday. So here I have removed all that old design and reapplied some tips on the nails that she had broken off. So I've done all the prep work and now I'm just coming in with my crystal glass as a base layer. Now, if anybody who's not watched before, I always do this. It's just easier, it's got something to file back to. Then you can always keep an eye on that the natural nail plate is nice and healthy underneath, without having to remove and do a fresh set every time. So for anybody who hasn't got the new CJP colours yet, then oh my goodness, you are missing out. Like, I literally adore every single one of them. Like, there's not one that I don't like. Gemma is amazing. So anyway, what a beautiful day it is today. Like, stunning. So here on this beautiful thumb, sorry, I'm in a really good mood, so I might be like really annoying, so I was about that. This is the stunning Smashed Peach. So just place my bead on, making sure it's nice and neat around that cuticle area. I'm gonna pat and press down the nail. And as you can see, my bead wasn't quite big enough, so I'm just going to come in with another bead on that free edge there and blend it backwards into the other bead. This colour literally gives me life, like, oh my goodness. Just look at it, it's like, oh. Like, I want to bite it, I want to eat it. I mean, I'm not going to bite my clients because that's just weird, but I want to. It's so gorgeous. And all of these, this colour as well is a strength powder, so you don't need to cap, you can build your nail out of it, and voila, all done. We actually changed the shape of my client's nails. She had them in a pretty almond, but as I was trimming down the length, we liked how they looked ballet or coffin, however you want to say it. So Smashed Peach again. Tuck it in at the cuticle and pat and press, drag it down the nail, and then stroke it out so it's nice and smooth. I've literally, I don't know why I'm so happy and calm. I'm doing this, then I've got to configure it and make it right for YouTube, then I've got to upload it, I've got 1,000,001 things to do, and I've got a repair to do at 6 o'clock, then I'm going live on a full set at 7 o'clock. In between I've got to do the kids' dinner, I've got to wash up, I've got to tidy up, yeah, so I'm not sure why I'm in such a good mood. I think it's like hysteria, if I'm being honest. Sorry, I'm out of shot there for a change, you know me. sorry, I should say that I'm going live on my nail page on Facebook, not on YouTube. But all the links to my social media are in the description box anyway, if you want to have a look. So on this nail, I am using the multicut glitters from the Glitter Fairy, and this is from the Indian Summer Stack. And I have picked up a wet bead, dipped into Marigold and Lotus, which is the pink and the orange. These are my favourite glitters, like, they're my favourite. Like, they're my favourite. Just look how stunning they are. Oh my god. Yeah, so I dipped into the Lotus and the Marigold at the same time, and I've just zhuzhed them around the nail using really small beads and keeping them nice and flat. And then I'm doing the same on this nail as well, but I add angel paper to one of the nails. This is how bad my memory is. Like, I only did them on Saturday. I can't remember which nail it was. I think it was this ring finger. I like voiceover in my videos because it's even like a surprise to me what I did because I can't remember. But no, in all seriousness, I have a underactive thyroid and it really messes with my head sometimes. So yeah, I think it's this now. Yeah, so I'll just place a really wet bead of clear, just run it across the nail, and then popped on this angel paper. This one's actually unicorn film. It's from Glitter Planet UK. I do have a discount code for 10% off, so I'll leave that in the description box for you. Don't worry, that's not nail separation or anything. That is literally just the old colour from last time that I haven't removed. Just look how beautiful that smashed peach is. Like, oh my goodness. Just slice that bit off the end there. And excuse the state of my actual manky nails. I removed them. I say removed, I use that term very loosely, in preparation for the new colours arriving. Oh, look at that. I added them to both of them actually. What did I tell you about my memory? It's horrendous. So yeah, this is just the unicorn film. I actually think it was like it was a real pale pinky one. But I think she just sells them like in a big pack of lots of colours anyway, so there's loads of different ones in there. So I'm just going to snip off these long bits. So filing them off. And then all I need to do is just cap these two nails. So as I said, the smashed peach is a strength powder. So pop it on, tuck it in at the cuticle, drag it down the sides, and then pat and press the rest of the way down the nail. And then I'm just slicing off any excess with my brush. So, on to filing now. Side walls first, as always, then the free edge, gently around the cuticle area, and then up and over and down the other side of the nail. And sometimes I just like to dust off part way through just to make sure I've covered everywhere. So I'm just going to add a quick stamp just on one of the nails, one of those glitter ones. So I'm using my clear jelly stamper polish, scraper and stamper, and that's just a MoU London plate that I've picked there. If anybody struggles with stamping or you want a more in-depth video just specifically for stamping, just let me know and I can do that for you. I know some people can tend to struggle with it. So all I'm going to do now, guys, is let you watch. So I'm just top coating now. I forgot to capture on video me cuticle oiling and a shot at the end, but I have left a picture at the end for you to see. And literally this bit, oh my god, did my life in, because there was a flipping hair on every single nail. So if it irritates you, I just want you to know that it irritated me a lot. So yeah, guys, that's it. And give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!